Do you want to earn money through graphic designing, but you don't have a computer or laptop? Don't worry about that. This channel, How to Design, has a solution for you. Now you can design high-quality graphics through your mobile phone, just like a computer or laptop. But how to do that? So let's find out. In today's first graphic designing class, we will create a 3D image from a flat image using a smartphone. So first of all, you need to open Chrome browser on your smartphone and go to a website called Photopea. This is an amazing platform for graphic designers on mobile. It's a carbon copy of Photoshop. Now, after opening Photopea website, you will come against an interface like this. Now click on Create a new project. And select height and width of your canvas. And then click on Create. It will open the canvas like this. To create a background, click on the Layers panel right here, and then click on this icon. Now click on Gradient Fill. Now click on the line and choose two colors for your background. Change the gradient type to radial. Now click on the rectangle tool in the sidebar and draw a rectangle. After that, click on the layer panel and select Rasterize option. Now, adjust the rectangle in the middle of the canvas by dragging it. Then click on the File menu and select the image from gallery you want to convert into 3D. Adjust the image on the rectangle by lowering the opacity. Once it's adjusted, increase the opacity again. Now click on the three lines and then click on the arrow to make a clipping mask. Now click on this keypad option and select Shift. Go to the Layers panel and select both the rectangle and the image. Now go to Layer option and select Group Layers. Again, go to the Layer option, and this time select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to the Layers panel, select Effects option, and then click on Drop Shadow and follow these settings in Drop Shadow option. Now again to Rectangle tool and select Ellipse tool from there. Now click Shift and draw a small circle on the image. Adjust the circle and go to Layer option and select Rasterize from there. Now go to Layers panel, Effects, Colors Overlay, and change the color of the circle. Again, go to Layers panel, Effects, Drop Shadow, and change the color to the darker side. Now follow this step carefully. Select the circle shape from Layers panel and go to Layer option. Select Layer Style from that and click on Create Layers. Now go to the side menu. Select Magic Wand tool. Select the first image from Layers panel and tap onto it once. Now open Layers panel and select Drop Shadow layer of the circle. Select the Eraser tool from the sidebar and erase the shadow of the circle. After that, open Layers panel again. Select the circle shape layer. Go to the Effects option and click on Stroke. Now change the color of stroke. It will look like a button on the top. Now, to add a symbol in that button, go to Files option, click on Open and Place and choose the PNG from your gallery. Adjust the image in the middle of the button and click OK. Now we want to make the button glow. So for that, we will need to create an empty layer by clicking on this icon in the Layers panel. For that, choose the brush tool from Sidebar and adjust the size and color of the brush like this. Now zoom in the image with 2 fingers and tap on the button as shown here. Now click on the Layers panel and change blending mode of this layer to Screen. Now again, click on the Shift button from the Sidebar keyboard and select all the layers, but don't select background layer. After that, click the Layers option and group all the layers. Now all the layers are in one folder, so copy that folder and convert it into the Smart object. Now to add shadow effect to this 3D picture, create an empty layer under it. Select the brush tool and adjust the size and roundness of the brush like this. Change the color of the brush and decrease the opacity and flow to 60% each and increase smoothness to 10%. Now tap under the 3D image and here you can see a nice shadow has been created. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your flat image to a 3D design in just 10 minutes in your smartphone. I hope you'd have liked this little tutorial. For more advanced tutorials and to learn graphics design skills in your mobile phone to earn money online, do subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.